In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ExpressVPN with this complete guide. ExpressVPN helps protect your internet connection by creating an encrypted tunnel between your device and a secure server. In simple terms, that means your public IP address is hidden, your data is better protected on public Wi-Fi, and your online activity becomes much harder for others to track. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install it, activate it, connect to a server, verify that it's working, and disconnect when you're done. First, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Log into your account, then complete the two-factor verification step using the temporary code sent to your email. After that, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. From there, click the download button that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. On the same dashboard, find the field labeled activation code and copy that code. You'll need it in just a moment. Then run the file you downloaded and complete the installation so the app and its network components are added to your device. Once installation is finished, open the ExpressVPN app. On the first screen, choose Sign In with Activation Code. Paste the activation code into the box, then click Continue. After that, go through the setup prompts to choose things like whether the app launches at startup and whether you want to share analytics. These options are mostly personal preference, so just choose what works best for you. When the app opens fully, you'll land on the main dashboard. By default, ExpressVPN usually selects a smart location, which is the server it believes will give you the best performance based on where you are. If you want to use a different location, look just below the large power button and click the three-dot icon next to the current location. This opens the VPN locations window. You can browse the recommended tab for fast suggested servers, or open all locations to browse by region, country, and city, then click the one you want. Now go back to the main app window and click the large power button once. Wait a few seconds while the connection is established. When the app changes to a green connected status, your VPN is active and your traffic is now encrypted. Before doing anything sensitive online, it's a good idea to verify the connection. Keep ExpressVPN on, close your current browser windows, and open a fresh private or incognito window. Then visit the IP check page on ExpressVPN's website. Confirm that the IP address and location shown match the server you selected, and make sure the page says your connection is secured. When you want to disconnect, bring the ExpressVPN app back